Hi guys, another top tip for you today in regards to the CarPlay boxes. Sometimes that we do find there's a few little mic issues in the car. Only reason being is because sometimes, well, when we do our installs, we do all the text anyway, but sometimes if you've installed a CarPlay box and you find out there could be like a mic issue, like it's echoing in the background or it's a bit low or whatever and stuff like that, it could be down to the original Bluetooth mic in the car and maybe sometimes a secondary mic if it comes with the box. So I'm just going to show you a little tip on how to resolve this. Is normally most MMI boxes come with the setup, and in there you probably have a mic setting, which is ours is here. And as you can see, you can set up if there's any echoing and stuff on there, you can hide the mic up, or if there's any delays in the mic, you can change things on that one there. So let me just go into there so you can see a bit clearer. So that's obviously controls the mic of how these boxes work. So if you got any difficulties with the mic and stuff like that, just have a little look in your mic settings on the setup of the homepage. Okay, hope this helps. Take care. Bye bye.